Lesson 11. The Green World. Let's learn. Types of plants, parts of a plant, leaves, flowers. We see plants all around us. They make our world beautiful. Plants are our green friends. They grow in different shapes and sizes. Types of plants. Very big and tall plants are called trees. Trees have thick stems called trunks. Most trees have branches. Mango, banyan, coconut, neem, gulmohar, apple. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. They have many thin, hard branches. Rose, cotton, jasmine, henna. Some plants are very weak and small. They have soft green stems. They are called herbs. Tomato, coriander, grass, mint. Some plants are so weak that they cannot grow upwards by themselves. They need support to grow. They are called climbers. Pea, money plant, grapevine. Some plants grow along the ground. They do not grow upwards. They are called creepers. Watermelon, pumpkin. Info hive. Watermelons are good for your heart. Parts of a plant. Plants have many parts. The main part of a plant are the root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit. The root remains under the ground. The stem, leaf, flower, and fruit grow above the ground. Let us learn more about the leaves and flowers. Leaves. A plant has many leaves. Most leaves are green in color. Some leaves are big and some are small. Banana, coconut, rose, peepal, mango, neem. Flowers. Most plants have beautiful flowers. Some flowers have pleasant smell and lovely colors. Sunflower, tulip, rose, marigold, lily, lotus. Recap. Very big and tall plants are called trees. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. Very small plants are called herbs. Climbers grow upwards with the help of support. Creepers grow along the ground. The main parts of a plant are root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit. A.